that the county government of Machakos, under the leadership and guidance of Her Excellency the Governor, Her Excellency Honorable Wavinya ndeti, has issued, of course with approval from the County Assembly and with the public participation exercises being done. Last week, we were able to issue 100% waiver on registration of new parcels and new plots. When I say registration of new parcels and plots, it's to mean that people across Machakos County who have acquired new parcels or plots through subdivision or through processing of ownership documents, and they have not been able to register them with our county government offices, that is the Revenue Department, on terms so that we could have their detail. We are inviting them to proceed and register their parcels as part of ensuring documentation with government for purposes of control of ownership and protection of their property during transactions of transfer and exchange of these lands. So we want to request all the people who have not registered their plots or parcels to register with the county government of Machakos. And we have waived the registration fees that is levied when anybody is registering them. We have also waived the outstanding dues on plot rent in rural markets. As you are aware, the county government levies plot rent on plots for rural markets. The residents of Machakos have not been paying for several years, and they have accrued huge sums of money amounting to for every person in tens of thousands, others in hundreds of thousands. And therefore we are requiring our people, now that we have waived the outstanding rent, they take advantage, come forward, and now register their parcels and start paying. For those that are registered, to start paying from now going forward.